How to change Roblox game icon? First of all, go to the Roblox website and make sure you are signed in. At the top, click on the Create button. This will take you to the Creator dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Creations to see your published experiences. Next, find the experience you want to update and click on it. Now, under the Settings tab, click on Places and select the place where you want to change the icon. After that, click on the icon section from the left sidebar. Here, choose the option Upload Image. Now, select the image you want to use as your game icon. Make sure it's in JPG or PNG format and follows Roblox size guidelines, preferably 512 by 512 pixels. Once the file is selected, click Open and then press Save Changes. Your new game icon should now be updated. If it's not showing immediately, it may still be under review by Roblox. Just wait for a few minutes and refresh the page. And that's it. Now you know how to change Roblox game icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.